Hi, this is Robin with On the Pulse Investing. In this video presentation, I'm going to introduce you to a trading strategy that has been called the most unique and exciting trading methodology I have ever seen. We are excited to bring it to you after years of in-house development. The best part is, everyone can benefit from the program I am about to share with you. During the last 15 years, we have been programming and developing a system to navigate the stock market that is unlike any other. Our proprietary SmartTech GV system is designed to time, track, and target trade in the stock market with precision. After witnessing the successes and failures of many methods over the years and thoroughly testing and proving our own, we are confident you will find that you have never seen anything like this before. Certainly there are no guarantees in the stock market, but we think an overview of this system and our #1 Pulse Investing Lead Trader program will change the way you think about the possibilities in stock trading forever. And we aren't trying to sell you something. What if I said you could actually duplicate an expert's trades? What if I said you could actively trade in the market without even having to follow it? What if I said you could follow an expert's trades and trade in your account simultaneously if you wanted to? What if I told you it was all in real time, transparent, and even mobile? What if I said yes to all of the above? The answer is indeed yes. Access to this video clip is for educational and informational purposes only. Consult a licensed broker or investment advisor before placing any trade. This overview excludes commission and all other fees from its calculations. Nothing contained in this video, website, or promotional material constitutes a promotion, recommendation, solicitation, or offer of any particular investment, security, or transaction. Trading any investment involves risk. The following video is meant to make you aware of our system and to describe our methodology with an emphasis on the risks and rewards involved. We are not implying or guaranteeing any profit. As always, do not trade with money that you can't afford to lose. Past performance does not equate with future results, and results discussed in the following video are not typical. Your results may vary. At the end of this video, I will tell you how you can find out about our exclusive #1 Pulse Investing Lead Trader program, sign up for free, and take advantage of benefiting from our system with just a few clicks of your mouse. First, I want to give you an overview of our SmartTech GV system and how it works so you can gain confidence in how we choose healthy stocks for your portfolio. Well, what does it stand for? Stock Market Analysis in Real Time using Technical Extrapolation and Correlation, Growth, and Value. So how does it work? How do we consistently pick a stock that we feel is healthy and has a potential to increase in price in the short term? I'm about to show you. It looks for stocks that are growth and value. Many experts will tell you that this is not possible, but we prove that it is. We are going to take you through an abbreviated version of how our system chooses to buy or sell, how it tracks stocks, how it times them, how it targets their potential gain, and calculates their risk-reward value. Prior to generating this table, the SmartTech GV system had already done the initial scans of the entire stock market from 360 degrees. They were based on technicals, fundamentals, and sentimentals, also known as psychologicals. Our system literally gives stocks a CAT scan. After the initial series of filters, it gave us a small batch of stocks that it determines to be worth purchasing at this time. We then take those stocks and place them in the next stage of analyzation. I broke the previous table in half for readability, and when we look at this table closer, we see that this particular phase gives us a grade on each of these stocks according to many calculations. The full table outlines how it sifts these stocks further and further through layers of proprietary scans until we get only a couple that it considers to be highly valued. It doesn't mean that the initial list of stocks are not good for purchasing. It is simply designed to look for stocks that could make a substantial swing upwards in price in the shorter term. Some of this grading scale considers the stock's health in short and long-term fundamentals. Then it determines the value for each stock and potential target prices that it could reach. It further notes if the short interest is high, how much the stock pays in dividends, if any, and other proprietary parameters that they must meet. And then we get to the results to the right. To the right of these stocks who passed this phase is a list of potential things the system could complain about depending on its fundamentals alone. things to perhaps further analyze. So for the purposes of this video, we'll pick a stock that has the least potential issues for now. If we go back to the entire table and scroll down, we see that that stock is NCI. Before we make the purchase, we're going to go to another phase to do an in-depth analysis in the stock's financial. This part of the program takes the published financials and sorts the information instantly, then gives us an easy-to-read result column and looks at many more things closely like profit, balance sheet, cash flow, and more. This stock looks pretty clean, so we're now going to do another phase and look at the stock's technical charting. Without going into detail, we picked one graph out of many, all of which are showing us that it has a great potential to move up in the shorter term. A technical analyst would agree with this completely. The skill comes in finding this stock in a sea of thousands and also in time to take advantage. This is what our system is designed to do. The last thing that we look at before purchasing is the earnings report. We want to make sure we have time to realize the predicted swing upward before any news is reported. NCI's earnings report is far enough away so things look good. Now we find and set our target price and wait for the stock to come to us. This stock is then simultaneously purchased for all of our followers in the #1 Pulse Investing Lead Trader program at the same time price in real time. Okay, very cool. So now what? How do we know what this stock is doing once it's purchased? How do we know when to take profits? The SmartTech GV system doesn't stop there. This is perhaps its most valuable component. Now our system monitors all the stocks we purchased by the second in this table and tells us what our 3 target prices are and when to sell. It tells us if there's any change in fundamentals, upgrades, downgrades, guidance. It tells us the cap size and what sector, if analysts are initiating buys, the closing price, and the daily change. Also, target prices, volume changes and the speed thereof, and it also analyzes the opening range, which would be a goldmine for day traders, as this piece of programming is a great indicator of how the stock will perform that day. It even keeps track of the number of days to and from the earnings announcements. The system will initiate a specific scan of a stock if any of these things change outside of the set parameters. It keeps track of earning announcements and gain-loss stats relative to our yearly gains and the correlation thereof as well. It makes sure we know everything that could be going on with the stock itself, the portfolio as a whole, and our bottom line. This is how our system works. Now, the real question is, how effective is it? I encourage you to go to www.pulseinvesting.com, Pulse EKG as we call it. This is a chart that exemplifies our history in this particular portfolio, and we do update it often. And I do have one more thing. Here's our special offer to you. As I said, we aren't trying to sell you anything. What we're doing is giving you an opportunity to have access to our system via the #1 Pulse Investing Lead Trader program. You can automatically duplicate our trades. People don't think that this is possible, but it is. Please visit the website above for more information about how to sign up and enjoy a 3-week free trial period. Remember, it is free to sign up. There are no commissions on your profits, and you can opt out at any time as you have total control over your very own brokerage account. You can also look for our video on website overview and sign-up instructions and get enrolled today. Please contact us with any questions. We are here to help, and this could change your future.